In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox account manager not working. If you're experiencing issues with the Roblox account manager, here are a few troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the problem. First thing that you can do is restart Roblox and account manager. Close both Roblox and account manager completely. Reopen the account manager first. Launch Roblox from the account manager to see if this resolves the issue. Sometimes a simple reset can fix temporary glitches and restore normal functionality. Second thing that you can do is to check for multiple instances. Open Task Manager and go on to the Details tab. Block for processes named Roblox Player Beta.exe. Right click and end the task for all instances. Afterwards, recall the Roblox account manager. The third thing that you can do would be to download multiple Roblox tools. Search for multiple Roblox on Google, visit the website, download the file for Windows, and open it. Run the file and this should resolve the issue. Remember to temporarily disable your antivirus before downloading any external tools. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.